This is a video showing anatomy of skeleton of the right foot. In this view, first we see the distal phalanges in orange color articulating with middle phalanges in violet color. Proximal phalanges in pink color attached with metatarsals in dark gray color. These metatarsals articulate to three cuneiform bones coded as peach color to cuboid bone, which is shown in blue color laterally. Posterior to the cuneiform bones is the bone in green color called the navicular. Now, in this view, you can see the talus bone in brick red and the calcaneum in purple color. Now, we come to plantar aspect of foot. Here, the sesamoid bone labeled in brown color.